In this chapter, let us learn about Python write on create files. Python file write. To write an existing file, you must add a parameter to the open function. A append will append to the end of the file. W write will overwrite any existing content. See the example. Create and open the file demo file2.txt and append content to the file. See the example. Now the file has more content. See here, the result returns this. Hello, welcome to demo file. This file is for testing purpose. Good luck. Now the file has more content. Python file write. To write to an existing file, you must add a parameter to the open function. A is equal to append will append to the end of the file. W write will overwrite any existing content. See the example. Create and open the file demo file3.txt and overwrite the content. The W method will overwrite the entire file. See here, F we have written writing something, and W here it's get overwritten. See the result. Oops, I have deleted the content. Create a new file. To create a new file in Python, use the open method with one of the following parameters. See, x is equal to create will create a file, returns an error if the file exists. A append will create a file if the specified file does not exist. W write will create a file if the specified file does not exist. See the example. We have given two examples. Create a file called myfile.txt. See, a new empty file is created. Okay, second example. Create a new file if it does not exist. See, does not existed. Okay friends, this is the end of part 37 file write. In the next video, let us learn about another topic, delete file. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.